Welcome back to our channel. Learn now. In today's video, we're diving into the powerful select statement and its where clause. So, let's get started. In SQL, the where clause acts as a powerful filter, allowing us to specify certain conditions for the data we want to retrieve. Imagine you have a table like this, filled with valuable data. Without the where clause, you'd have to sift through everything manually. But with this powerful tool, you can target specific rows based on conditions you define. Now, let me show you how to write an effective where clause. It's all about mastering the art of conditions. Take a look at this example. In this query, we're selecting data from our customers table but only those with the age column greater than 25. By using the comparison operator greater than sign, we can specify our condition. But wait, there's more. The where clause isn't limited to just one condition. We can combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and or. Let me illustrate. In this example, we're selecting customers with an age between 25 and 40, and who live in New York. By using the and operator, we can narrow down our search to meet both conditions simultaneously. Now, let's see the where clause in action. Imagine you're running a popular online clothing store. You need to identify customers who made purchases above $100 in the last month. With a well-crafted where clause, you can quickly identify those customers, analyze their preferences, and tailor marketing campaigns accordingly. It's all about optimizing your data retrieval process. The where clause is a game changer when it comes to filtering data in SQL. By leveraging conditions, logical operators, and combining them effectively, you'll be able to extract valuable insights with ease. Thanks for joining me today on this SQL journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting SQL tutorials. Until next time, happy querying.